Hi, I'm Ada. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm so excited. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of some diapers I got from Nikki's Diapers, as well as diapers I got from Happy Behinds Diapers. So let's just get right into it. So we ended up getting more diapers because we needed more fitteds because we were really loving fitteds at night. So we got these two fitteds from, they're the same, but we ended up getting these two from Happy Behinds. I believe these are Alva, yes. These ones are Alva Baby, but they do sell them on the Happy Behinds website, which I'll put the website down below so you guys can go check it out. They have a huge selection. And this is what the inside looks like. And then I'll post a review later of how, you know, how these are working for us, if we like them, if we don't like them, how they compare to like other fitteds that we have. I really like these because they have the insert sewn into them, which is different than the fitteds that are similar to this that we get from Nikki's Diapers. But I really like fitteds. These ones are bamboo fitteds. And then the next thing we got from Happy Behinds was these two super cute diapers. These ones are their, I believe it's called Cose. It's C-O-S-E is what this particular diaper style is called on their website. And this one fits newborns, I believe, up to 15 pounds. But I got these because, one, I like the tabs on them. I like the tabs on them. They have like the stretchy material on the tabs. Kind of like if you've tried Bum Genius, it's kind of similar to that. And then of course, it has peaches. There's peaches all over it, so it's super cute. And then here's what their label looks like. Super cute. So let me show you the inside. This is what the inside looks like. Oh my gosh. This is what the inside looks like. It does have the insert kind of sewn in, and then it has the inner gussets here as well as the outer like gussets. But what's cool is even though it's like sewn in, you do have the option to snap an insert in here, which it does come with the insert. So you can just kind of snap it in there if you need extra absorbency. You have the, you know, snapped in insert and then the sewn in insert, and I like that it has where you can tuck it in the front and back so you have waterproof layering against the tummy and against the back side of the diaper. We did get two of those to try out because I've never tried them, and I thought they looked really interesting and they look like they might be something that works. So we figured we'd try them out. If we like them, we might get more of them. Here's their cute little bee print with the little honeycomb. Super cute. They do have these pockets. I plan to order some probably later this week. They have like a coffee, what do you call it? It's like a kind of coffee colored lining, and it's like athletic looking jersey, and I really want to try it out because I've always wanted to try that type of lining out, but they're actually really hard to find. So I was going to try it out, see if I liked it. We've actually been liking pockets a little bit more with this baby than my other two children. The other two diapers that we got from the Happy Behinds website are these two, and they're from a brand called Bum Bum Babies. And this is what the label looks like for that. And these are super cute. This one gave me like kind of Halloween, but also Christmas vibes. So I'm like, you know what, it works. See, there's like the little candy cane. Super cute. And then this one was kind of like dragon scales. And then this one is just a typical like newborn all-in-one. It has everything sewn in here, and it has the inner leg gussets here and then the outer ones here. So I thought that was pretty cool. But this one also, it does have a front pocket. It does have a front pocket, so if you want to add extra absorbency in there, you can do that. And I believe these ones also go up to 15 pounds. These ones do have the umbilical cord snap down, so if you want to use them straight from birth while they still have their umbilical cords, you can do that with these ones. Now, on to what we got from Nikki's Diapers. These are the two bamboo fitteds that we got from Nikki's Diapers. These are the ones that we already have and we know we like. That's why we wanted to try out these ones to see if we like these ones as well, because they are similar in price. Sometimes the ones on Nikki's Diapers are a little hard to get because they can be sold out. Okay. And then this is what the Nikki's Diaper label looks like. And then when you open these ones up, they have an insert snapped into them. There's nothing sewn in the middle here, although the entire fitted is absorbent because it's all bamboo cotton. So these do snap out and these work really, really well. And then it does have their label on the tab there. I'd say one difference between these ones from Nikki's Diapers and then these ones from Alva Baby, that are Alva Baby brand from Happy Behinds website. These ones do not have an umbilical cord snap down, whereas these ones do. This tab right here will snap into this tab here. And then, there you go. So then it won't rub on the baby's umbilical cord. The next thing we got this because one of the fitteds that we have, it is missing the snap-in insert. I have no idea where it is. But it's one that's from Twinkie Tush, so we didn't have an extra insert for it. So we just tried to find something that was like affordable to just go in place of an insert inside of the fitted. So we ended up getting this one from Nikki's Diapers. It's just a bamboo snap-in insert. It did say it was supposed to be yellow. I mean, I guess it's kind of yellowish, but like in person it's not as yellow as I thought it was going to be. And then it does have the 2 snaps there on the back. And we did check, it does snap right into the fitted that we have that we got it for. So that was super awesome. Then we got these snapless fitteds from Nikki's Diapers. We did get 2 of them. I was going to get more, but they didn't have the size I wanted. I wanted to get the extra smalls, but they were sold out. So I ended up just getting the smalls, even though they will be a little big for baby right now. I had to look up the weight range on these. I don't really remember offhand. I think it starts at like 10-ish pounds because I know my baby was right outside of the window, so I figured these would work. But this is what they look like. We do have these in extra small right now. We have a couple of them. I really like the snapless fitteds because you can get a better fit on them half the time. Or I guess majority of the time you can get a better fit because you don't have to worry about snaps, you know, not lining up where you need them to. So we really like these. And they have the super stretchy back. And then like, you know, leg elastics here. And there's nothing on the inside of these ones, which super easy to wash. Those are the things that we got from Nikki's Diapers and Happy Behinds. I will link them both below. If you guys liked this video, which I hope you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe before you go so you don't miss when I upload my next video and when I post reviews of each of these diapers. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!